Nageshwar Jyotirlinga Temple near Dwarka is one of the 12 sacred Jyotirlingas dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is mentioned in ancient texts such as the Shiva Purana, which describes Nageshwar as a powerful center of Shaivite worship. The temple is associated with the legend of Shiva protecting his devotee Supriya from the demon Daruka. Historically, the site has been revered for centuries, though the present structure has undergone modern renovations. The temple's sanctum houses a self-manifested or swayambhu Shiva Lingam that is worshipped daily by thousands of pilgrims. Its proximity to Dwarka reflects the harmonious coexistence of Shaivite and Vaishnavite traditions in the region linked to Krishna. A towering statue of Lord Shiva outside the temple has become a prominent landmark in recent decades. The temple forms an important part of the Dwarka pilgrimage circuit and the larger Jyotirlinga yatra across India. Over time, royal patrons and devotees have contributed to its upkeep and expansion. Today, Nageshwar Temple stands as a major spiritual destination combining mythology, history, and enduring faith.